Well, I just finished my ABS air horns. I used two 3-inch to 1 1/4 inch reducers. So for that one and that one, and then I used a 4-inch to 1 1/2, and then down to 1 1/4, and some ABS pipe of different lengths to give it a different tune. I hooked it up to the compressor. I got about 120 psi in it right now. So let's give her a try. I have tried them. I've shortened them a little bit to give them a different tune, and so far I'm liking the way they sound right now. Here we go. I don't know, I think they work pretty good. My first set of horns, I didn't use any plans or anything, but just trial and error. Worked pretty good.